Look at this question, question 39. We're going to do part C. You see that it is a little bit very complicated, these two. Okay, then we look back. This is exactly the value of n equals to 4. Okay, so by using part B, you put the value of n equals to 4. And this one, it seems that the value of n is 1 over 2. But here is if n is, this is what sine theta, but here part B is what cosine theta. Okay, so we have to think about it, okay, whether these two are equal. And now we go back to part A. We have done this kind of question a few times. If I call pi over 2 is A, you should notice that you have done this kind of problem a few times. This is absolutely correct, so I'm not going to do part A here. I do part B. Part B, integrate from 0 to pi over 4 cosine n theta sine n theta plus cosine n theta. Okay, from this is part A. If I think this is part A, then I see that it will equals to the right hand side is this one. So integrate 0 pi over 2. This one will become cosine n pi over 2 minus theta. This one will become sine n pi over 2 minus theta plus cosine n pi over 2 minus theta. You know that this is exactly sine or cosine pi over 2 minus theta becomes sine theta. And this one is cosine n theta plus sine n theta. Okay, so how to do this one? This one is this one. Okay, I call it I, and here I call it I. Okay, or I dash. Okay, we see that both are the same. Okay, both are the same. I write 2i, which is equals to I plus I dash. Okay, to your surprise, you add them up. This is cosine n theta, okay, plus sine n theta. It is exactly the same as the denominator. So this one is just 1. So the answer is pi over 2. The answer for this one is pi over 2. You see that no matter what the n is, the answer is always pi over 2. So you can see that here the answer is pi over 2. Okay, now we go back. Here n is 1 over 2, but here is what sine theta. But the question asks you what cosine theta. But you see that this one, cosine n theta, here is equal to sine n theta. So again, the answer for this one is also pi over 4. Pi over 2, sorry, pi over 2. Pi over 2, okay? You try to do it on your own.